Good morning, children. Previous class we have studied about the C.V. Raman, right? What all his parents, where he was born, and how much he was interested in science, what he has did for that, and where he was worked, and at last what he has become. Everything we have learned in this lesson, right? Today we are going to learn the meanings and question answers as well as grammar points from your textbook. Now let's go for the meanings. So now the meanings. First one is give up. Give up means leave, stop, surrender. Okay. Give up means see, give up. So the first meanings, right? So meanings, the first one is give up. Give up is leave, stop, surrender. In your textbook it is there, even though I'm explaining for you. See, give up means leave, stop, surrender. Next one is secure, that is obtain. Secure is obtain. Third one is put up with. Put up with. Put up with, that is bear or bear, and tolerate. Tolerate, tolerate. So the third one, fish out of water. Fish out of water means what? See, by seeing this only we can guess. Fish out of water. If we leave the fish out of the water means how it will feel. It's a breathless, right? It will struggle like anything. So it is like a struggling. The Sir C.V. Raman was struggling. So for that struggling word, they have given this fish out of water. See, a person who feels uncomfortable, a person who feels uncomfortable or awkward because he or she feels, again he or she, whoever it is, he or she does not belong to the company. See, when you work for a company without your liking the job, it's like you will be feeling that uncomfortable, right? Every time you will be feeling uncomfortable only. So for that, like that only, even Sir C.V. Raman was feeling very much uncomfortable. So company he or she isn't. So see, belong to the company, he or she is in. Fish out of water, a person who feels uncomfortable or awkward because he or she feels, he or she does not belongs to the company. So whether it is he or she, that is in. So where they are working in, right? They are feeling very much uncomfortable to work there. So the next one is sight. S-I-G-H-T, sight. So here, sight means seen. S-C-E-N-E, seen. So the next one, banner. B-A-N-N-E, banner. A long piece. A long, P-I-E-C-E, piece of cloth. Piece of cloth with a message on it, with a message. See that everyone wants to know, no? So in a piece of cloth, there is a message in that cloth and they will hang it on the somewhere, right? To see everyone. So this is called a banner. So on message on it, that is carried between two folio or hung in public places to see everyone. Public places. So the next one, that is put on. Next one is put on. So the next one, put on, that is put on is wear. W-E-A-R. Put on means wear. So next one is curiosity. Curiosity means very eager. Wanted to know what it is, right? So that is very eagerness. So eagerness. So voyage. Voyage, journey by sea. Journey by sea. Next one is matriculation. Matriculation, that is equivalent to today's first year pre-university, that is PUC. Okay. Matriculation means it's equivalent to today's first year pre-university. After the 10th, what you are going to study in the college, right? That is first PU. That is only pre-university. Pre-university course. That is PUC. Okay. So the next one is answer the following. So answer the following. The first one, who were Raman's parents? So who were Raman's parents? Raman's parents were Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvati Ammal. Who were Raman's parents? Chandrasekhara Iyer and Parvati Ammal. Parvati Ammal is the mother of Sir C.V. Raman. So the second one, why was Raman not able to attend school regularly? So because he was not well, right? So Raman used to fall sick every now and often, so he was not able to attend school regularly. So next one, third one is, where did he complete his intermediate examination? He completed his intermediate examination from Hindu College at Visakhapatnam. So where did he complete his intermediate examination? He completed his intermediate examination from Hindu College at Visakhapatnam. So the fourth one, what subjects did his relatives advise him to take BA? So his relatives advised him to give up science and take up history and economics as his special subjects for BA. We all know why they have suggested him to take history and economics. Why you know? No, because he used to fall sick regularly, often used to fall sick, and he can't study more time also, no. So for that, his relatives suggested him to take up history and economics. So the fifth question, why could not Raman go to United Kingdom for higher studies? So Raman could not go to United Kingdom for his higher studies because of his health condition. So the sixth one, how long did he work at Calcutta University? So Raman worked about 15 years as the professor at Calcutta University. So the next one, what made Raman give up highly paid post of Special Accountant General? Raman gave up the highly paid post of Special Accountant General for post and telegraphs in Calcutta because he was offered the post of professor at Calcutta University. So the eighth one, how did the Soviet Union honor him? Soviet Union honored him by awarding the International Lenin Prize in 1957. So, ninth one, what makes you think that Raman, even as boy, had great interest in science. So Raman was very much interested in science from his childhood days itself, right? So he has made the model of dynamo at his young age itself and used to borrow the books from the college students to study, and he used to read also all the books. And all these incidents make us to think that Raman, even as a boy, had great interest in science. So the next 10th one, why did Raman's relatives ask Raman to take up art subjects? How did Raman react to it? When he joined Presidency College, Madras for his BA, his relatives wanted him to give up science and take history and economics. That is art subjects, right? So, but Raman had made up his mind to study science, but he was interested in science. So he took physics and secured first rank with number of prizes. So he got first prize, first rank, and he got many prizes also in that. After his MA, again his relatives asked him to take up same arts to competitive examination. So after MA also, his relatives asked him to take same subject, art subject only, to take the competitive examination in Calcutta. Raman agreed and took the same. So he agreed and has taken same. He did well with new subject. So he did well also in that new subjects and got first place in the competitive examination. He was appointed as the Deputy Accountant General in 1907. At Calcutta, relatives perhaps felt happy to see that Raman had settled down well in life, but he was not like fish out of water in his new post. So everyone are happy by seeing that, right? See, because he has settled in life. But so C.V. Raman was not happy with the new post. He was feeling very uncomfortable with the new post. That is like a fish out of water. See the meaning? A person who feels very uncomfortable to work with that new company. Okay, so he was feeling like that. So the 11th one, what was Raman's first disappointment in life? So Raman wanted to go to United Kingdom for higher studies in science. After his MA, at that time, again his health broke down and he could not go. This was the first time and greatest disappointment in his life for him. So because of his health, he couldn't go to United Kingdom, right? So he felt very bad for that. So next 12th one, why was Raman not happy with the post of Deputy Accountant General? So Raman was not happy with the post of Deputy Accountant General because he was attached to science. He was very much interested in science so much. So he was full of science from his childhood. So as we all know, he was very much interested, right? He wants to know more about the science. So from his childhood itself, he studied science up to his MA. He was waiting for an opportunity to become scientist and still he had hopes. So he was waiting for the opportunity to become the scientist and he was having that hopes also. One day I can make. Right? No. So next 13th one. How can you say that Raman had not lost interest in science when he was the Deputy Accountant General? So even as Deputy Accountant General, Raman mixed with scientists and took interest in science. So one day, while returning from his office, he saw a banner. Banner means, here it is, a long piece of cloth with a message on it that is carried between a pole of or hung in the public places. Right, there's a message in the public place. So Brahman got off the moving train by seeing the banner. The Indian Association of Scientists at the site of that banner. So in that banner, what it is there means it's Indian Association of Scientists meeting is there. So sometimes later, when he was in Rangoon, he learned that an institution had brought piece of modern scientific apparatus. He hurriedly put on his clothes and went to have a look at it. So he went for When he was at the Rangoon, urgently what he has did, he changed his dress and he went for that meeting. Such was the interest he had in science. So this was the incident that shows how much he was having interest in the science. As no. So the next one, that is vocabulary, that is fill in the blanks, that is in your textbook, and you should write it in your classwork notes also. Okay, after these question answers, you should continue with the grammar points in your textbook also. So the first main, that is fill in the blanks with the opposite. Okay, so it's opposite words you should write. See the first one, example they have given. Harish reached the bus station in time. Okay, in time. See, in time, but his friend reached late. So, in time, late. Okay, in time, but his friend reached late. So he missed the bus. And see, that was the example for you. This was the example. And the first one is we should neither borrow for this or lend. Okay, so the second one, why do you feel old? Why do you feel old? For old, the opposite word, antonym word, right? What it is? Old, young. Feel young. Should feel young. Yes, no. So next one is don't stand outside. The word is outside here, right? So the opposite of outside is inside. Opposite of outside is inside. Come inside. Don't stand outside. Come inside. So the fourth one, are wealthy people really happy? Happy. For happy, the opposite word is sad. Opposite word is sad, right? Happy or sad. So the fifth one, eat less but walk more. Eat less, walk more. See, less, more. Right, this is the opposite word. Next one is the pronunciation of the following pairs of words are almost the same, but they differ in meaning. Use each word in the pair in meaningful sentences. So here see, they are given like it's break, break, break. So your pronunciation is same. See, this is first main. 2. The first one is C. B-R-E-A-K. Break.